Hey everyone, it's Miss Amy from Camden Public Library, and today I went on a little nature scavenger hunt to find all kinds of different things, and we're going to make nature bugs. It's a great STEM activity to find different things, and then build your own. So, my base is going to be a pine cone that I found. These are Camperdown elm seeds, some cedar. I have some hawthorn berry crabapple starts. I have a buttercup, some clover. I have a bunch of sticks. This is the flower of some little vine. I don't know exactly how I'm going to use all these things, but I'm gonna try. And I have, of course, a hot glue gun so that I can build them. So let's get started. I am excited. I love kind of engineering and building new things, and it's summer, and this is a great time to make fun things out of what you find outdoors. So I'm gonna start by gluing on a stick, because this is what I have for materials. So this is gonna be my wings of my bug. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'm gonna hold it on there. And then I'm gonna use the hawthorn pieces, and I'm gonna glue them on to here, like this, to make wings. I'm gonna do it like this. Okay, so there's one wing, and now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and I may layer a little bit more on there. There's a lot going on in the library today. So let's do this. So 1, 2, let's see, let's go there. Let's go here and here, like that, and another one here, like that. Oops. Okay. Ooh, I like it. So there, and I am going to layer a few more. I have some legs that I have kind of cut off, and I'm just thinking, okay, what are the parts of a bug and what don't I have? So I'm gonna add a few more to kind of like cinch it in like this. Yeah, like that. We got one like here. I'm gonna put one more. I don't know. Maybe I don't need any more. Maybe one more right there. Yeah, and another one right here. Just a little bit. Okay, so you want to get creative. Think about what a bug looks like, the parts of a bug, and then how can you use what you have to make your bug. So there are wings that are built out of hawthorn seeds, an acorn, and a stick. So there's wings. Let's add some legs. So I'm gonna do a couple little legs. There's a leg, and here's a leg. Let's see. I'm gonna let it go. Okay. Yep. So there we go. There's legs. Oops. I'm sticking to it. There we go. All right, good. Okay, so I have wings, legs. I need a head. Maybe I'll use this. Maybe I'll do a head that kind of has bodies. So I'm gonna do 2 more legs. I'm gonna do legs that come out at the bottom like this, and another one over here like that. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna hold it. There we go. Love it. There. Ooh, I like it. Okay. So it's starting to look more like a bug. Very cute. All right, so now I need to figure out a head. I could do some clover. That might look kind of neat. Kind of a little buggy head. Let's do it. So I'm gonna do that right there. So I'm gonna do that and that. There we go. Ooh, I like that. All right, so there's kind of a clover head and my body. Got my wings. How about some antennas? So I snapped off a little V of a stick. You know how a stick has a little V, and I snapped it off. And I have a couple of little flowers from one of the things. I'm gonna put those on the end of this because, you know, why not? Let's try a little there and a little there. And then I'm gonna try that right on there. Let's see if I can get that on there. There's one. Oops. So it's kind of like little antennas. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I like that. All right. So then I'm gonna stick those. I gotta put those on. It's really starting to look really kind of cool. So I'm gonna put that right there, and I'm gonna stick it right in there like that. I'm gonna hold it. There. Ooh, look at. I love it. It's really starting to look like something. So there is. Ooh, I could make it a bee with like a bug with a stinger or something. Ooh, I could do a little tuft right here. I'm gonna use the buttercup petal like that and pull this petal off and like that. So there's like another set of wings or something. I don't know. I like it. I like the color. Very cool. Ooh, I like it. It needs something else. So I've got a little piece of cedar. I could use a little piece of cedar to make a stinger, or yeah. So let's do this. Let's make a stinger on there with a piece of that. Let's see if I can get that in there. There we go. Ooh, do I like it? Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. I think I want one more set of feet. Maybe some feet. One more set of feet. I'm gonna get one more set of. Okay, so I turned it over. Now I'm gonna do one more set of legs. Because that's kind of too much. There we go. There it is. Nah, it's too much. I'm gonna take that off. That looks like, ooh, I lost one of my little flower right on the feeler. So I'm gonna get another one of those, put it right on there, and then take that off of there. And there it is. And then I can get this off here. And look, I have made a bug out of stuff that I found outside, a little nature hunt, and I put together this cute little bug with wings and flower petals and acorns and sticks and seeds. I hope you create one. Hugs. Happy creating. Miss Amy.